Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I'm celebrating Star Wars Day from home. And if you're here for makeup, don't worry, I still show you a makeup look inspired by Star Wars. I'm so excited about this. I've been a huge Star Wars fan since I was a child. So I'm just going to go through my day and show you different treats I made throughout the day inspired by Star Wars and makeup look inspired by Star Wars and just a day full of Star Wars that was just awesome, and I hope you enjoy it. Just remember, you don't need any material things to love Star Wars and appreciate Star Wars. So I am showing you how to make some Star Wars inspired treats, but don't feel bad at all, especially during this time. If you're not able to get the ingredients you need, I also had to kind of improvise. I didn't have all the ingredients that I needed for certain things, so I just used what I had, and it was so much fun, and I hope that you enjoy it. So I started the day off by making some BB-8 inspired pancakes, and I did have a few failed attempts here, as you can see. But finally, I liked how this one turned out. I added powdered sugar and also orange slices and the chocolate for his eyes. And here I'm creating a makeup look inspired by the binary sunset scene from A New Hope. I really love creating makeup looks inspired by scenes from Star Wars, and I really would love to start doing this on my channel more frequently. So I have an idea for a series in which I'll talk about different topics from Star Wars while creating eye looks inspired by different scenes from Star Wars. So if that sounds interesting to you, I hope that you'll subscribe. And here I'm reviewing the Pat McGrath Star Wars lipsticks. I absolutely love these. I love the R2-D2 packaging. And I also loved how it had the little R2-D2 beauty mark. And so this one was just a clear lip balm, but then the C-3PO inspired one was more of a red tone color. And next I made some blue milk. I used almond milk, blue butterfly pea flour, and maple syrup. And so that's what it looks like after adding the blue butterfly pea. I only added half of a teaspoon. And blue butterfly pea actually has a lot of health benefits. It has a rich antioxidant profile, and also it's been shown to decrease advanced glycation in products. So when certain sugars interact with proteins in our bodies, it results in advanced glycation in products, which are involved in diseases such as diabetes, and these advanced glycation in products also contribute to skin aging. So blue butterfly pea has been shown to prevent this process. And I also had some cinnamon buns in tribute to Princess Leia. Here I'm making a pizza inspired by the Death Star. So I just cut pepperoni slices to kind of mimic the shapes. Also made these TIE Fighter snacks out of crackers and cheese and peanut butter. And then also, thanks to ASMR Weekly, my cat and I enjoyed a voyage aboard the Millennium Falcon. And I absolutely love watching the YouTube channel Ordinary Adventures, and I just absolutely love watching their Galaxy's Edge videos. I haven't been before, but they've definitely made me even more excited about going someday and planning my trip someday, so I definitely recommend their channel. And they also point out really cool facts that you probably wouldn't know unless you're an uber Star Wars fan, just like this trash can is the number of the trash compactor that Han, Luke, and Leia were trapped in A New Hope. Now I'm making a Yoda inspired drink, so I'm cutting up some limes, and those are going to be his ears. So then you just place them on the glass to look like his ears. And now I'm adding lime sherbet and then adding sparkling cider to that. This was seriously the best combination. I kind of just came up with this combination on my own because the sparkling cider itself looked kind of yellow, so I decided that lime sherbet would be the perfect combination, and it tasted so good. My family loved it.
I am wondering, why are you here? I'm looking for someone. Looking? Found someone you have, I would say.
So this is the inspiration for the Yoda drink. This is from Galaxy's Edge. It's the Baby Yoda drink. And I didn't have anything to use for his eyes, so again, I just had to kind of improvise and use what I had, but I really like how it turned out. And here I'm using Audible to listen to a Star Wars book. If you love the originals, you would really love these books. They're by Timothy Zahn. The first one is called Heir to the Empire, but it feels just like watching the original movies, and it's set 5 years after Return of the Jedi. So if you love the originals, you have to check out these books. And now I'm reading a book that I got when I was a child. It's Sounds of Star Wars. So basically they talk about how they created the sounds that you hear in Star Wars. And then of course, it wouldn't be a Star Wars day if I didn't listen to John Williams' Star Wars soundtrack. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing this. And again, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'm definitely planning to have a lot more Star Wars content coming, specifically doing makeup looks while talking about different topics from Star Wars. So if that sounds interesting to you, I hope you'll subscribe and ring the notification bell. And just a little bit about me, if you are new here, I'm a chemist who loves makeup, so I make a lot of videos explaining the ingredients in cosmetics, and I'm also planning some new directions for my channel by incorporating the Star Wars themed videos, so if that sounds interesting to you, I would love to have you here. Also, don't let anyone make you feel bad for how you enjoy Star Wars, whether you love the originals, the prequels, the sequels, whatever it is that you love, that's awesome. And I hope that you're doing well and staying safe. Thanks so much for watching. May the Force be with you. You like it? Really? It's good, ain't it?